Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm in Benidorm. I just arrived early this morning and I've just managed to come out now to have a little walk around, see what's going on. Now, when I was here in December, I did notice a lot of signs on a lot of bars and a lot of cafes and places were going to be closed until round about late February. So I thought I'd take a little walk along the Prom on Levante from the old town up to the Recon. And now I normally do it the other way around, but I'm going to see what bars are open, what bars are closed. It does seem very quiet. The only activity I've seen so far are 3 police cars. But starting off straight away, there's a bar directly opposite me now. This is normally booming in the summer. It's the Tiki Town bar on the front. Let me just show you. Totally closed. Let's have a little walk along and let's see what's going on the Prom here on Levante Beach. Manila Restaurant. It's only just gone 8 o'clock and Manila Restaurant is packing up. There's one bar open. Coup is open as well. So there's a few bars open at the moment. Well, they're not very busy. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 people in that bar. I can't see anyone in queue at the moment. Absolutely no one. So a lot of the bars are closed, and the ones that are open, I don't think there's enough trade going on at the moment. So I don't know why, but it looks like some sort of DeLorean stuck in the middle of the street. Another empty bar.
The car was registered
It is very, very quiet. Well, the plane coming out wasn't quiet. Trust me, it was jammed. There was hardly any seats left on the plane, so it was virtually a full plane on the way out. Coming along now to another bar which is open. Penelopes, it's open. I can hear music playing out, but what I can see so far from as I'm getting closer towards it, I can see exactly that through they've got up like a windshield on the windows just to stop the cold, but as you can see through into the bar itself, absolutely dead. I know it's only 8 o'clock at night, but these bars on the beach especially would be booming. There's the white line, closed. Coming up to the Heartbreak, I think that's actually a little bit of a swing on the Hard Rock. Again, closed. Or is it open? All the lights are on inside, but there's not one single soul inside the bar. I'm not even sure if that's open. It might be closed, but all the lights are on. Pinocchio's Pizza. It's open. Nobody in.
Is that the YouTube? YouTube? I thought it was. I recognised you. How are you doing?
Oh, did you? Okay, how are you?
I'm Jim yesterday.
And you?
Hope to see you on telly.
Yes, you will be. You're on it now. Couple of viewers. I should have got one of them. It would have been quicker going along to do the video. It's a cafeteria there. Looks like it's bit the dust. And you don't know really. They could. No, that actually looks like it has closed down. But sometimes they whitewash the windows when they close during the winter. But that does actually look like it's gone, that one. The day Tona, it's open again. I know I could turn around and say, well, it is only 8 o'clock and these bars probably don't get busy till later on, but as you can see from spinning around and looking at the front, I can't really see these bars getting any busier later on. As I said, I was here in December and it was getting quieter then, and I noticed a lot of bars were closing up, but I thought a lot of the bars and the cafes would just close for that little period building up to Christmas to give themselves a bit of a break. But no, a lot have signs on stating that they're not back till near the end of February. It has gone quite cold, so a little bit of a chill in the air, so even if there was any outdoor bars open, I don't think we'd see many people floating around. Doesn't the beach look beautiful at night time? Joe, when I think back, I've been coming here for 40 something years, and I think back, I don't remember it being like this even in the winter. Benidorm was always busy, even during the January. In fact, to be honest with you, January, February, March months were the main months when the long stays came out. People would come out in January, especially retired people would come out January, February, March and do a long stay. It was cheaper to stay here than to pay for electric and gas and heating and everything else back at home. Just having a look at this hotel. This is on my bucket list to stay at. I will get round to it one day. They have, if you can just look above the symbol sign, they have these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 rooms there have their own little pool. You can just see below, round about there, if you're just looking carefully, they have their own little dip pools in front of the balcony. And there's another one. So that's the 4th police car I've seen in the last 10 minutes. So a lot of police presence for some reason. Good thing, I suppose. It is very quiet. Now remember, this is the Prom down on the Levante Beach. When the weather gets warmer, there are hundreds and thousands of people walking backwards and forwards, especially Spanish, walking backwards and forwards with the dogs, with the kids in the prams, and you will see hundreds of thousands of people walking up and down here every single night of the week. And look at it now. Yeah, as I said, January, February, March was never like this. Does anyone remember, just think back, does anyone remember when, I'm not talking that long ago, probably 20 years ago, when people came out for the long stays? Did anybody watching this video ever come out for the long stays? That wind is got like an ice feel in it. being down on the front. As I say, I don't normally walk the Prom. I normally walk the strip. There's another police car. Don't know if something's going on. So that's 5 police cars in about 10 minutes. It's so quiet. I don't know if you can hear the waves in the background crashing. It's a lovely sound. Just having a look now, are we coming up to a couple of more bars? No, these are all restaurants. Oh, there's one bar. Oh no, it's not. Do you know what? My eyes are going, I'm just looking there. I thought that was a bar. It's not, is it? It's got an ice cream sign on it, so is that an ice cream parlour? It is open. Yes, it's open, but as you can see, there's not many people in that one. Oh, it's the Les Dunes. It's that hotel, so it's their restaurant. That's what it is. God, it shows you how long it is since I walked along the front here. They've changed all that. Oh, do you remember this hotel from years ago? It used to be the only hotel in Benidorm that had a webcam on that had the whole view of the front of the hotel onto the beach, and people would actually stand in front and wave home to the relatives back at home if they stood in front of that hotel. Another question, did anybody remember watching that webcam from the Les Dunes, I think it's called, the hotel? Is it the Les Dunes or the Lost Dunes? Yeah, the Les Dunes there. Green hotel over there, looks like a letter K. That's the Benny Cactus. It's one of them hotels that stand out from miles. Well, I think it is starting to look a little bit like a ghost town, especially on the front. So if the front's like this, I imagine the strip is going to be even worse. So I might do another video. I'm here for 5 nights, so I might do another video of the strip just to show you how many bars are closed. The Cayman, that bar's closed as well. There's another one. Is that Tiki Beach? I think it is. Oh no, it's just a beach bar. Seems weird looking at these bars all like this. I'll spin you back round to have a little look. There literally is no one. Yeah, so I can imagine that the strip is going to be even worse than this. Looks like the people that are here are looking for places to go to. Sign of the times, I gather. I know I've been here myself in January, February, quite a few times over the years, and it's never been this bad. But I am talking about 20 years ago. Right, so I'm gonna go a little bit further along, and then I'm gonna bring this video to a close. It was only a quick video of the prom, just to see how dead it is. I'm gonna close it when I get to the Hotel Brisa. Yeah, it's a little bit further up. I'll close it at the Hotel Brisa, that's near the very end. Watch out for that hotel, by the way. I am doing a full review on the Hotel Brisa. It's in my 4-star series. I'm doing 5 4-star hotels in 5 nights. And the Hotel Brisa is one of them. And it's right on the beach. I can't work out if these bars are actually open. They've got all the lights on, but nobody in them. I mean, if they're not going to be open, why would they have all the lights on? Even the cafe bars, look. There are a few people inside that one. Yeah, as I said, watch out for the Hotel Brisa. There are 5 hotels coming up, as I said. All 4-star, all half-board. And they're all going to be in separate videos. So, I'm coming virtually to the recon now. And just in the distance you can see the hotel I'm talking about. There's not even a lot of places to eat either. The ones that are open, they're empty. Right, so I'm going to bring this video to a close as I get to this corner. You can just see, just there on the sign, is the hotel I'm talking about. Just there, called the Hotel Brisa. It's, well, there's cheese in the way now. I'll go a little bit further up so I can get you in on the shot. But I don't want to go too close to that hotel because that's going to be featured in the video. It just looks so strange. Right, so there you go, you can just see it through the tree, the Hotel Brisa. Well, I'm going to bring this video to a close. Makes you wonder, doesn't it? Would you really want to come out to Benidorm in January? Never used to be like this. This is now a ghost town. So, I'm going to wrap this video up. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Watch out for those 4-star hotels, they're coming up very shortly. Thanks for watching, I'll catch you in the next video. And bye for now.